Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to unlock the power of compounding interest and learn how you can make money while you sleep. So let's dive right in and see how compounding interest can make a huge difference in your financial growth over time. Imagine earning money without actively working for it. That's the magic of compounding interest. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time, thanks to the interest you earn on both your initial investment and the interest that accumulates. This magic formula can help you grow your wealth exponentially and even make money while you sleep. Stay tuned to learn how to unlock the power of compounding interest and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. 1. Understanding compounding interest. What is compounding interest? Definition: compounding interest is the process where the interest you earn on an investment is reinvested to earn additional interest. Essentially, it's earning interest on interest. The compound interest formula is A equals 1 plus R divided by NT, where A equals the future value of the investment loan, including interest, P equals the principal investment amount, R equals the annual interest rate, decimal, N equals the number of times that interest is compounded per year, T equals the number of years the money is invested or borrowed for. The power of compounding growth over time. Compounding can significantly increase the growth of your investments over time. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Example: imagine you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, compounded annually. After 10 years, your investment would grow to approximately $1,629. In 20 years, it would grow to around $2,653. That's the magic of compounding. 2. Starting early. The earlier, the better time factor. Starting early gives your money more time to grow through the power of compounding. Even small amounts can grow substantially over long periods. Example: if you start investing $100 per month at age 25 with a 7% annual return, you could have over $260,000 by the time you're 65. If you start the same investment at age 35, you'd only have around $120,000 by age 65. Consistency is key. Regular contributions, consistently adding to your investments, even in small amounts, can significantly enhance the compounding effect. Automate your savings and investments to ensure you never miss a contribution. 3. Compounding in different investment vehicles. Savings accounts and CDs. Safe but slow. While savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs) offer compounding interest, the rates are usually quite low. They're safe, but won't grow your wealth rapidly. Stock market investments. Higher returns. Investing in stocks can yield higher returns, which means more compounding over time. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, are a great way to automatically reinvest dividends and harness the power of compounding. Example: if you invest in a stock that pays a 3% annual dividend and you reinvest those dividends, your investment will grow much faster than just relying on the stock's price appreciation. Mutual funds and ETFs, diversification. Mutual funds and ETFs offer diversification and can be a great way to take advantage of compounding. Look for funds with a track record of consistent returns and low fees. Real estate rental income. Real estate can also benefit from compounding if you reinvest rental income into property improvements or additional properties. Appreciation. Property values tend to appreciate over time, which can compound your wealth when you sell the property at a higher value. 4. Maximizing compounding interest. Reinvest your earnings. Keep it growing. Always reinvest your earnings to maximize compounding. Whether it's interest, dividends, or rental income, reinvesting will help your investments grow exponentially. Reduce fees and taxes. Minimize costs. High fees and taxes can eat into your returns and reduce the power of compounding. Choose low-fee investment options and take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks. Regular reviews. Stay informed. Regularly review your investments to ensure they're performing as expected. Adjust your portfolio as needed to stay aligned with your financial goals. 5. Real-life examples. The Oracle of Omaha. Warren Buffett is a prime example of the power of compounding. He started investing at a young age, and his wealth grew exponentially over decades. His net worth is now over $100 billion, largely due to the power of compounding. Ordinary investors' success stories. There are countless stories of ordinary people who achieved financial freedom by starting early and consistently investing. Compounding interest can work wonders, no matter the initial investment size. 6. Practical steps to get started. Open an investment account, brokerage account. Choose a reputable brokerage account to start investing. Look for platforms with low fees and good customer service. Robo-advisors. Consider using robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront if you prefer a hands-off approach. They offer automated investment management and low fees. Compounding interest is a powerful force that can help you grow your wealth over time. It works by earning interest on your initial investment, as well as on the interest that has already been earned. This means that your money can grow exponentially, even while you sleep. To unlock the power of compounding interest, you need to start investing early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested regularly can add up over time, thanks to the power of compounding. When you invest in assets that earn compound interest, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you can take advantage of the power of compounding. As your investments grow, the amount of interest you earn also grows, leading to even greater returns over time. One of the key benefits of compounding interest is that it allows you to earn money on money you have already earned. This means that your wealth can grow exponentially without you having to do anything. As long as you continue to reinvest your earnings, your money will continue to grow. Another benefit of compounding interest is that it can help you reach your financial goals faster. By investing consistently and allowing your money to compound over time, you can build a substantial nest egg for retirement, education, or any other financial goal you may have. It's important to remember that the power of compounding interest works best over the long term. The longer you allow your money to compound, the greater the impact it will have on your wealth. This is why it's important to start investing early and to be patient as your investments grow. In order to unlock the power of compounding interest, you need to make smart investment decisions. This means choosing assets that have the potential to earn compound interest, such as stocks or mutual funds. It also means being disciplined about reinvesting your earnings rather than spending them. By harnessing the power of compounding interest, you can make money while you sleep. Your investments will continue to grow even when you're not actively managing them. In conclusion, compounding interest is a game changer when it comes to building wealth. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. By harnessing the power of compounding interest, you can secure a financially stable future for yourself. I encourage you to explore investment options and financial tools that can help you benefit from compounding interest. Whether it's opening a retirement account, investing in the stock market, or seeking advice from a financial advisor, taking action now can set you up for long-term financial success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. See you in the next video.